show them so forward from see, you know. Yeah, see. I tell them say, yo, make the music possible. And I hear it. Yeah. If I should die before I rise, I pray my soul to keep. If I should die before I rise, I pray my soul to keep. No wicked man will live for long, no matter how they see. Just silent river humble arm, I know it round deep. So if I should die before I rise, I pray my soul to keep. If I should die before I rise, I pray my soul to keep. No wicked man will live for long, no matter how they see. Just silent river humble arm, I know it from deep. Want to require in the fire, it can't make it take that. Can't take the wicked and only your exalt. Just surely be your best because they shall start. And shall announce all of his wrath. Can't tell the more sign, so I don't tell no talk. If I should die before I wake, I pray my soul to keep. If I should die before I wake, I pray my soul to keep. No wicked man can live for long, no matter how them see. Come true and tell, cause if I should die before I rise, go true, mama. Hear me now, I God run things and Jesus. Yeah, sign. Yeah. Hear me now. Well, it's a simple day, don't start now for cuss, not a ras. Them want forget me up about your kid, me still no rat. Me juggle every day, you notice me sell grass. Still me can't put a number one on a chant. Yeah. About your kid that set his strength, well I won't get that. No worry about the government whenever them talk. This is Bojo Kid, I ever sell grass. So I tell you this, I can put a boom tune on the chart. I got run things, so there is no one your friends make him control everything. No false pretense when you don't see me pass through. No way will not defend. I will take what one fit and all the finger them. Send them to a madman, you know. Hot them here I go learn, you know. Cause God no big friend, let me tell you this youth man. We need to come together and live. I God run things, no government, no bad boy. No make no girl feel you, and I make your friend them feel you neither. So watch it. Can't go girl penny, come beside her. Remember God run things, no government, no president. No pussy, no cocky, no richness, no godness, cleanliness. A big respect. And I say out, youth man, out. You know what, God?